it's your girl Teddy, and today we're on the Cooking Chronicles, and we're making a new variation of tiramisu for me. And if you can't guess, it's peach. I love peach. I've dedicated like my whole art existence to it. So let's get this started. Let's get our aprons. But also remember to subscribe and also comment anything you would like us to cook in the future. Anything you would like to see. I already have a list of recipes, which is what the Cooking Chronicles is. If you are new, I've done just a video which I can put up here and you can go watch. So, and just remember, this is all experimental. It's my first time doing this. I have made tiramisu before, but I haven't made a peach tiramisu, which I feel like it's gonna be like the same gist, the same energy. But you know, who knows? We will see. I got some ladyfingers. I absolutely adore these. They look so good. But like, actually, now let's get our aprons on and get to work. So first, I'm going to get the tea ready. Which I really just need to grab another measuring cup. Get this on. In the way, but out of the way. Oh, and let me also grab a hand towel that first, and then second. Nice. So like I said, dish, which is pretty much like a cake platter too. It's one of those duo situations. So while the water is brewing, I want to actually get the measuring cup straight. I could really use a jar. I should use a measuring cup to make sure I get the right numbers. So yes, I'm gonna do that. I'm only gonna do a cup of the tea. But I might put 2 bags in it just to make sure it's really strong, because I have not tried that tea. If I've tried it, I would be able to estimate it. But I really just got this, so we're gonna just fingers crossed and hope for the best. But I am gonna start with adding the 2 tea bags, which I am trying to get away from using tea bags, but for right now, I just gotta do what I gotta do. It smells good. So good. Okay, so ladyfingers are chilling for that. Let's start with the mascarpone, vanilla, sugar. Y'all, like I said, this is first time, so we're going off of the recipe. Oh, that makes sense, yeah. Yes. Makes sense. Cool. I'm gonna grab a bowl. The mascarpone cheese, which definitely did a very good plop in there. And the water is starting to do its little whistle. Pop that in there. Okay. Let's start mixing.
So I'm going to start with putting 2 tea bags in, and my kettle has gone off whistling, and so I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water and set that aside to brew. Finish mixing the mixture up of mascarpone cheese and heavy cream and all the other little various things. And y'all, this is the peaches and the jam. I diced up the peaches, and I went off the correct measurement of the for the recipe. So this is a very foreshadowing moment. I was like, oh man, after I mixed this up, I didn't think it was enough. So I ended up adding another tablespoon. However, it did taste really good. So, you know, there was some balance.
Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the tea bags, but I'm going to give them a real quick squeeze. This was sitting in the fridge. I had to wait till it was cool. Now I'm going to pour it into the dish. That I'm pretty sure I can fit the ladyfingers in here and soak them up real nice. And since this was sitting, I'm going to just give this a real quick mix real quick. Okay, so let's get started in the assembly. I'm going to just rotate them and then pop, rotate. Good. Now I'm gonna just spoon a layer of this in between. Ooh. There we go. Measurements are way off, which I should have realized, and transferring this to a smaller dish is just kind of not an option anymore. So I'm just going to try to make this work. Try to come up with something. Like, even if it's not a deep layer situation, and I might just have ladyfingers on top, like it may just be the panic. Look at the mess of the dish. That's also what I was trying to avoid. This is really tasty. So this one it sets, it should be fine. another offset somewhere or silicone. Honestly, that is fine. It's over there. Okay. Let's do this. Definitely. Let's see what we're gonna do here. I'm just gonna do how we do a cake turner, I guess. Wait. I definitely need more. Definitely don't have any more. So let's see if I can just make it look a little bit more aesthetic. That's what we're going for. Aesthetic. Yeah, what other ladyfingers with the tea taste? Okay, y'all, it's been, I want to say about 5 hours. This is looking, I'm not gonna mess with it. I was gonna try to like maybe like give it some smoothing, try to make it a little bit something. I'm just gonna cover it with a cinnamon. Make sure this is. So I'm waking up really early to do this. So excuse me, but okay, so there we go. And I'm gonna just, okay, yeah. I'm just gonna try to cover it up with the cinnamon. Do like an actual like, not a heavy coat, but just something to cover up the fact, like it's uneven, so you're not gonna be able to like cover that up. But just give it a little bit of like, make it look fancier or something. I don't know. We're definitely gonna do this. I'm gonna do this again. I may not record it. I might try to actually get it to chef level. And let's give this a go. Try to get as much. Yeah, kind of like what I expected it to taste. I got that tiramisu layer with the mascarpone cheese and everything, but the lemon fingers definitely taste different since it's not like coated in actual coffee or like espresso. So like the tea is very light and the ladyfingers light, so it's just lighter, way lighter experience instead of having something light with like a heavy additive like coffee or espresso. It's pretty good. I'm a fan. You gotta get the portion straight. Do a little tweaking here, a little tweaking there, and get it all worked out. And there we have it, you guys, a peach tiramisu. This was a journey. Honestly, it just kind of boiled down to a conversion error on my part. Need to double the mascarpone jam. Had enough ladyfingers, double how much tea I use. You know, a bunch of stuff. Anyways, nonetheless, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below something you would like me to add to the Cooking Chronicles and my notes app in my phone. DM videos that you might, you know, or tag me in videos. Let me know. I am down to hear them all and see if I can get them in the production of videos and the list of things, you know, as we have a smooth rotation, as we grow as a channel together, because I can't do this without you guys. And I appreciate every single like, view, whatever you can give. I have some